White ash ball press is the raw material after grinding directly on the machine production, without adding water, can complete the white ash powder, white ash ball lime, hydrated lime, and other materials pressing work. Its purpose is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transportation characteristics, and other capacity design. Is mainly used for white ash powder, pressed into ball powder. White ash ball press roll with 65 manganese casting. After special heat treatment, the hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller is assembled in combination and can be replaced after wear. The white and gray ball press has a buffer device, which can better protect the equipment from the impact of hard objects. The ball press is designed with the ball bowl adjustable device, so that the two-roller ball bowl is always in the adjustable range, never dislocation. The actual density of the material in the process of ball pressing can be increased by 1 to 3 times, so as to meet certain strength requirements.